So this is part 2. I have uploaded part 1 because I was streaming and recording simultaneously, and I've been having internet issues today, so which is not great considering the market is moving somewhat well. So it's less than ideal, but we'll see. So far today, I am up over 100. You can see first trade of the day, first 2 trades of the day worked out into profit. I could have done a bit more on this, but I'm not going to complain. So I think we're up about 110. So we've equaled yesterday's profit. But internet issues. Internet issues have been plaguing me today. I suppose there are possibly 2 thoughts. Oh my living word. Internet has gone out again. I've been disconnected. Oh my fucking word. What in the living? This is getting on my nerves. Oh my fucking word. This is getting on my fucking nerves. I'm gonna check YouTube right now. And if the stream is disconnected, let me try and type in the chat. Let's see. Good afternoon. Oh my word, it's disconnected again. I'm going to have to contact the ISP. Good afternoon, everyone. Let's see if that works. What in the living daylights is happening? Oh my. No, connect internet, you're offline. Even YouTube saying it. Fucking YouTube is saying it. What the fuck is this? Oh my flipping word. It's saying that flipping chat's disconnected. Great. Oh my word. ISPs. I wonder if this is a sign I should stop trading for the day. Unable to connect to chat. Please try again later. Yep. Thanks, Google. Hmm. Oh my word. Let's see if YouTube is gonna work. Nope, no internet there. I suppose the charts will start moving when the internet's back. Mm. You know what? With this spotty internet, I'm gonna just stop. This. I'm having too many issues with the internet here. I'm having repeated connection issues. I can't stream. I can't stay connected. I'm gonna call it a day. I'll call it a day. OBS connected successfully. Yeah. Fantastic. Golly. Look at this. Can't even take any of the fucking... Oh my gosh, man. Look at this. Trade right there. Would have hit target. Trade right here. Would have hit target. Trade right here. Because I would have just targeted this area. Oh my word. You just can't. Oh my gosh, the internet's gone off again. Oh, this is out of hand. This is out of hand. This is getting out of hand. Gotta be careful here. Gotta be really careful. I could just lose my cool. I have an unstable internet. And I'm watching trades work out without me. This trade right here would likely have targeted this area here. 950s from the 25s would have been a good trade. This trade right here would have targeted the 6950s. That would have been a good trade. That would have been... Oh my gosh. I guess I'm going to have to wait for the next set of setups. Let's see. Let's see. If I disconnect again, I'm done. Come on. Which one is this? Purple, blue. Level 3 blue. Oh my gosh, it seems like gold would be the most obvious. Let's see. Let's see. 81 fives. 81 fives. Need to work out this mm. Oh my word. Look at this market. Volatility is back. Look at the volume there. Goodness me. Wow. Look at gold threatening to give up all of the gains. All of the gains. Goodness me. Having volume alerts go off. Hold on. Is this? There we go. No. Is this here? Volume alerts going off. Look at this. Wow, how many points is that? 57 point candle on NQ. Volatility is back. Goodness me, volatility is back. Volatility is back. Look at that. That's what all these alerts are. It's telling me there's volume back in this market. A lot of volume. We can see on the profile at the opening volume fell. And then at 10:54 Eastern, volume picked up. We can see it here where my cursor is bottom left hand side of the screen. And we've seen volume pick up. Likewise over on ES as well. Same scenario over on gold as well. On the right hand side of the screen. Volume is back. And so is volatility. Current range on NQ. Let's see. Let's reload this. The volatility is back. So current range on NQ is 254, which is pretty standard for this time. Over on ES, we're looking at 61, on gold 59.7. Still pretty narrow on oil at 1.59, so 159 ticks. Look at this. So on our friends over at gold, We had a move up looking at 59.5 in a very short period of time. What would you say, within about 30 or so minutes? Let's see. It wasn't, it was quite long actually. It's about an hour. About an hour from the lows. The real volatility pickup was over at this point when we had a breakout though. We had a breakout. About 40 minutes we had this move to the upside. About $50. About $50. So I'm up 110 and my streams are not working. So this has to just be a recording. This has to be a recording because I'm not going to be doing a part 3 because I've been disconnected too much. I think I'll take, let's see. I think I'll take 2 more trades today and after that I'll call it. I will call it. See, could have taken that down to there, but no, I couldn't. I'll be chasing a little bit. With these bigger candles, the windows are just like, they just seem tiny. Maybe you need to take that into account, my friend. You would have to take that into account. This is frustrating. So now it's not streaming. Now the internet's not disconnecting. Great. That's just great. That is just great. Couldn't ask for anything better than this. Of course, I'm being sarcastic, but so I said 2 more trades, and if I can get 2 more winners, then I'll call it. I suppose depends how many trades set up. So maybe 2 or 3, depends. But with the internet issues, I should be well beyond my profit target for the day. Should be well beyond my profit target for the day. I may need to. Why would this be? Hide drawings. Let's have a look here. So we had a gap up, filled the gap, rallied, broke down, retested, broke up. Filled the gap from the Nvidia news. Tested lower, did some repair. Broke through the lows from Monday. Buyers came in. I imagine there were quite a few traders that were looking at that for a great buy, and they would have been paid quite handsomely. The NQ traders anyway. Did we do that over there on the... Let's have a look. Did we do that over there on gold as well? Oh, we did. So we came through Tuesday's lows. Interesting. Through Tuesday's lows, posted a buy after breaking Tuesday's lows and reversed over 556 ticks to the upside. Really good stuff. May need to make a note of that. Hopefully everybody stayed safe out there in this uptick in volatility. With this uptick, I should think about possibly reducing my size a little bit to account for the increase in volatility. Come on, let's not do that. Seems that the greater relative weakness is over on E as opposed to NQ. Had quite a bit of volume over here. I wonder what the situation is. 8,000 shares. 8,000 shares. Contracts. Has this retraced too far for it to continue higher? Possibly. Possibly, s'il vous plaît. Possibly, s'il vous plaît. So, decision time. Ali. Nope, no signal. Thought I was about to get a signal long on gold. Oh, come on. Don't take the entire range. Don't take the entire range. Come on, let's not do that. Oh, no. Ah. Problematic. Problematic. It's problematic, that is. Okay. That's problematic. So I said that's problematic. Oh my. Seeing buying over here. Golly. Oh my word. You know, I'm moving the target up because it's just So I was up 110 and look at this going up, man. Fuck. I'll tell you what. We get to that 63.8. I'm adjusting my stop to break even. See if I can get that 67. I'm not a fan of these 2 weeks here. Not a fan. I wonder what the point of control is, considering that this has been in this consolidation for so long. Let's go see where point of control is. Let's see. Of course, point of control is in the area. Oh, goodness me. Got to 59.4 and rejected. Golly. I gotta stick to the plan. Let's say about reducing. Seems like this wants to threaten this this dramatic move up. Oh, fuck. Don't stop buying, man. Oh, that'll be a serious gamble to add a contract here to take off up there. Fuck. Oh, my word. The buyers have come back. And the buyers over here means sellers over here. So I'm in at 62.5. Oh, seems like, oh my word. Seems I'm going to get a short over on NQ. Depends where it closes. Nope. See, before it was threatening to give me a signal on this candle and this candle over here, but now neither candle is providing that signal. $63.5. I'm gonna try and take a long here for a break of the highs. $63.5. I'm gonna try sell the 63.5s. I'm gonna put a stop right there. Oh no. Fuck, man. Buyers came back in. Okay. Okay. So I bought the 65s, looking for the 63.5s. So maybe 65s. Probably should use a different color. Oh no. No, 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 no. The buyers have come back in. Fuck. Golly, that is bad, bad, bad news for this long on gold. Look at all the volume that came in. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. So 63.9s. I'm adjusting my stop to break even anyway. Golly. Golly. Mm-mm. Mm. Golly, man. Fuck. Look at this. ES looks bullish. It doesn't matter about NQ as much because ES can just drag NQ with it. Golly. Quite a bit of volume being conducted on this candle. A real fight. So we need to break these highs. Up at 62.9. Fuck. Problem is this fucking ES still looks strong. It's a problem I've got. God. This gold is in so much problems, man. It's just hanging around. Fuck. Look at this, man. The dips are just being bought across the board on ES and NQ. Golly. Question is, do I take off this gold at break even? Or do I stick with the plan? Because see, these are just being bought. Imagine that's going to translate to selling. Previously, we can see I was up 110 on the day across these two first trades. Not taking that long. Golly. Buying here, translate to selling over here. High volume on that sell there on gold. So now we've got a signal over here on NQ. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it long. This is rather aggressive. Very aggressive. Very aggressive. Oh my word, target hit. I suppose with that 25 I'm up 135, but still got this 119 pending loss. So I'll be up slightly on the day. Again, this long here would have been from 79.25 up to 85. Seems I'm about to get a signal to exit over on gold. About to get an exit signal over on gold. Oh, don't do what you did yesterday. Let's not do that. Yep, exit. Okay. I'm going to go short. Don't tell me it's going to fucking turn around now. Oh yeah. Huh. So what did I lose? Lost 62 over there on that gold trade. Now it wants to fucking come back. Fuck me. Now it wants to come back. All that time waiting on it, and it fucking let's come back. Joys of trading. I suppose this still has some ways to go up to that 85. So, hold on, I need to add that to the losses for today. So, one. Is that one loss? Yeah, put it as one loss. And long. Hold on, how long is that going to take? Did I click it? I clicked it. The hell's going on? Oh my word. I am sure I clicked long. What's going on? Is this thing working or what? Oh my gosh. More trouble. More issues. More issues. Oh my word. Now I'm in 105th. Oh my word. Oh my word. More issues. Buying pretty high here. It's going to take a long. Should be along here. Take profit here. Oh, this is great. All instruments turning around now. This is just great. This is just great. Of course, gold is turning around. Why couldn't it do it before? Of course, NQ turns around and going to be stopped out. Stopped out on NQ. Okay, so falling out the tree there. I'm going to be stopped out over here. Try to close this. This is not closing, so I'm going to get stopped over there as well. So let's see. Stopped out on ES. Stopped out on gold. Not sure why that hasn't been filled, but not sure why this hasn't been filled either. So it comes down and stops me out, then reverses. Fuck me. Oh my word. Long. Long. Hold on. Yeah, it's stopping it. No signals. Fuck me. As we break out higher. And here this comes down to stop. Hmm. Long, long. Oh my, long, long. Add another one. Add another one. So the gold has been stopped out. So add that to another loser. Oh, hold on. Oh my word. Got gold. Oh, I should have been flipping higher with gold. Should have been a higher. Let's put that there. I'm going to be a bit more aggressive with these targets. No longer using defaults. Goodness me, that should be $1 higher. So that's the default target, would have been hit up there at 48. The full target for this one would have been up at 95. Let's see what damage I've done to my account. Oh my gosh, down to 318. From where did I start the day? I believe I started the day 16th, 449. How ironic would it be if we get to that default target and then turn around and then have to take a loss? How ironic. 318 takes us to 418. It's like 240. It seems everything I'm trying on gold is just not working. So could I just banked 58? Didn't take it. Looking for that bigger move. Need to look at this. Oh, goodness me. Could be about to pay a heavy price for not taking this 48.75. Why can't gold sell off? I have to just pick up the 79.50. Do you really think this market has it in it to get to 79.50? Oh, well, let's see. Hold on, what would that require? Would that require a break a higher day? No. Would have to pass the open. Regular trade now is open. Currently we are about where we closed yesterday. Okay, so I've got to think about this. Get this gold not flipping, getting to target. Oh my word. Gold is just chopping me up. Shorts turn around, longs turn around, shorts turn around. Fuck that. Oh, there we go. Hold on, was that through the 100? Oh my word, that would have been through the 100. Goodness me. That would have been through the 100. You know what? Let's take 120. Let's not be greedy and target the 79s. Don't need to get 150. 120 is okay. Oh, been stopped out on gold. Fuck. Gold is such a fucking ass, man. Jeez Louise. Down to 241. Huh. So we got a signal long on gold. It's been in this flipping range costing me, so it's been in this range that has been costing me, so I'm gonna avoid it. Gold has been very expensive for me. $69.25. Oh my, how close have we come to our target there? We got to 69925. Target's at 9950. One tick away. Come on, go get that one tick. Come on. We got to the 50, just not filled. Come on. One flipping tick, come on. Just one tick. Golly, this is selling. Fuck. I really need this 75. Oh my word. I'm just gonna add again. Going long gone on what's this? Gold. Just added to that gold there. I'm going to take these off. I'm going to bank those profits up to 347. And I'm going to wait for another signal to get in to the upside on both NQ and ES. I can't believe it literally went up there by a tick. Fuck me. A single in tick. Oh, me, now this is coming back. Golly. Hold on. Let's see. That should have been 58. I got 69. So hold on. 69. Oh my gosh. 38. We're back half the profits. What was that? 38. Was that 58.5? 58.5. Hmm. Wow. Look at the volume that just came in. That moved down. Oh, come on. Oh no. Is this the spook? Is this the spook lore before we go up? I'm taking it off. Would have been better off taking these smaller gains aren't really doing me any favors. I'm going to try buy the 58 fives again. If given the opportunity. Oh my word. Here's is threatening to give me a short signal. Okay. Strong volume there on this candle to the downside. Goodness me, I'm going to be giving short signals over on ES and NQ. Irony. Especially after seeing this dramatic move up. Short, 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 short. Oh my word. What kind of shorts are these? Ugh, horrible shorts. Horrible, horrible, horrible shorts. You know what? Should even be higher. Whatever. Whatever. Follow the system. Looking for that move down to 29. Hold on. Oh, it has to be 669. It has to be this one. So, no, that's too far away. So it has to be this one. So look at all these wicks, man. It's like it's going to reverse. These wicks just like it's going to fucking reverse. Come into this area. Fuck. 25, 23, 48. Takes us up to almost 400. It's going to... Oh my flipping wheeze. Well, you took the trade, so just accept it. Golly. Hopefully the buying over here can have a breakout and have a sell down. And we can pick up 48 and 63. 25, 48. 25 and 23 is 48. Before commissions, 63. So, probably pick up 100. Maybe. I'm adjusting my stop to break even on ES. If we get to target on NQ. Come on, don't find buyers. Golly. Oh my word, he's taken the whole candle in 30 seconds. Golly. Got up to 62, so we're 6 ticks away from this target over here on gold. 4 ticks away, 62.2. Put an alert at 62.7, 62.8. Got to 62.3, 3 ticks away. Come on. Golly. 62.3. Put an alert at 62.4. Now is not the time to pull back. Yes, is a big problem at the moment. We can see we are in profit on NQ. We're not even down to break even on ES. That's a problem. Reduces the likelihood of we getting down to that 89. Maybe that 90.50 is going to be the line in the sand for ES. $61.7, $61.9. ES is building a base. So to NQ. Oh wow. That moved down. Come on, sustain it. Got down to 31. Targets at 29. Want to see that? Want to see this retest of these lows at 31. Want to see the retest. There we go. Targets filled. Fuck. Can't even move this to break even yet. Oh my gosh. Because it's gone up so much. Jolly. Yes, 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 yes. Maybe we just have to take break even on ES. Targets filled there on, what's this, gold. So we are up to 440, down 9 on the day. After being up 100 on the day. Let's see. Need to look at the fives. So we've got this window. Current higher day sits around 89. Got a level around 75. Got this window down to 13. Let's have a look at ES. ES is just so non-compliant, it's not even funny. It's not even funny how non-compliant ES is. Oh my word. This was my concern with ES. Showed greater relative strength. I need something dramatic from NQ to drag ES down. Something very dramatic. Let's see. Yeah, I'll keep it there. Maybe I'm gonna have to do some chipping. But chipping has dangers. Wow. Hoping that NQ can drag ES down here. Like I said, I got level down all the way down at 13. Over on NQ. Suppose the question on NQ is going to be, if we do get a signal, do we take it all the way down there? Seeing that move to the upside there on more upside momentum on what's this? Gold. Gold is picking up the pace to the upside. Hoping that can translate to selling over here. Keep seeing buyers here. I'm going to put a buy right there, just to de-risk a little bit on ES if I get the opportunity. Come on in, Q, drag it with you. Suppose that's... Do I de-risk on? You know what? Put it there. Okay, de-risked a little bit there. It should be a profitable trade. It is. Now risking only 32 up there. We get down to 90.25. I'm trailing to break even because I'm not a fan of what I'm seeing over here on ES. Maybe if we go up here. Let's see, where's the account up to now? 441. See, there's a lot of consolidation through here. Maybe you should just take it off. Yeah, I'll take it off. I'm going to take it off there, even though the target's down at the 88.75. I didn't like the consolidation. I'll just wait. Don't like this consolidation through here. So down about 6 on the day. After being up over 110. Let's go look at the 5 minute. So we got above these highs, stalled a little bit. Do we want to revisit the higher day? So it came across big sell around about 11 a.m. Took all of that back, retested this area. So all those sellers got washed. Now, all those sellers got washed. Now back above that 95. Look for the higher day up at 300. Zero guarantees the market will do that. Got a bit of a pocket down at 90.50. Wonder where the highs were. Goodness me. At one point I was up 559, nearly 560. Goodness me. Wow. 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 Don't think I'm getting back there today. So we are seeing that move up. 367 seems to be the next level of interest in gold. Not sure about this this ES at the moment. It's putting a lot of volume in that little middle section right there. Let's take, what is this? Oh, this is our, let's take that off the charts, man. So we're heading higher there. Built the base, heading higher. No sigs, no signals. 9750. 99. Oh my. Should I have just simply taken the 99s? Ah, that's what I should have. I played the P&L game. Okay, so time is slowly running out for me here. Time is running out. Very dangerous place. This market's putting in volume, as we can see on the profile in this area. We've got a gap below. Little bit problematic. Does it want to go back down to the point of control at 83.75? It's clearly failed the higher. I wonder if it's going to fake out then back up. I've got a bullish bias, and the only reason I've got a bullish bias is because of the rather dramatic. So we had a move up, then we had this other move up. So the volume looks a bit light over here. You know what we've done on gold? I'll try to figure this out. Problem is we're putting volume, which means there's balance. And if there's balance, two-way price action within a range. Problematical. The window to the upside is not very big. Got a congested window to the downside. And we're up to 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. Let's check our friends over at NQ. Let's see. Got a 12 that we've been identifying for some time. Got a 27. Rotate back to the 45. Potentially that's 74. Potentially 75. Okay, so we're breaking the consolidation. So hopefully, there's a big hope that this is the move. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Hopefully that's the move. Well, we need ES on board. Whatever we do. So is that the fake out? Is the fake out above the 42s? Thing is, that fake out there was not in alignment with the ES. Seemed to be working the gap from the Nvidia news. Probably should take it off the chart, but market seems to like that level. Came up, sold off. Came up, sold off. Seems it's not using a support though. What? Oh, okay. Breakdown. Oh my. Imagine if it goes down to that target in the end. On ES. Oh my word. I guess you should follow the plan. Look at that. I didn't like the consolidation, so I got out for break even. And it actually went down to target. Ah, the joys of trading. Maybe that fake out is what we need. Maybe this is what we need. Fake out, trigger shorts, and yank to the upside. Maybe that's what we need. Take an extraordinary risk here. We are beyond the 2.5 hours allocated for trading. Look at that. Was our perfect test of 48.75? It was perfect test 48.75. We're moved down to the 20s. Seeing that break down from the 63.8s on gold. I think the volume's too low. I've already crossed it out. Goodness me, the sort of volume that must be being built here on ES. The amount of volume being built. Let's go have a look at ES. Been in that range for quite some time. If we stay in there, we may end up flipping around point of control. Came down to that 9050 LVN, low volume node, for the move up to 94s. Not trading no LVNs at the moment. Not trading them. Trying to focus on this strategy. Oh, wow. That looks like a long right there. Time of day is probably not ideal. We've already gone beyond 2.5 hours. So there is that risk. There certainly is that risk. Oh my word. What in the hell? Huh. Of course this thing got a da da da. So it should be in at 39. Seeing if I can get the 47s and then try to get back in on a pullback. Could be just me being a bit too smart here. Or do we just simply take the... Yeah. 48.50. Yeah, let's try to take the 48.50. Ultimate target is this one right here. So we got to that 47.50, got to 48. So let's see if we can get to the 48.50 here. Oh, fucking come on, man. Come on. Get to that 48.50. Oh, fuck. 48.25. Come on. Golly. Long. Long. To be long again. Oh, come on. Why doesn't it fill the contracts, man? Seriously. Golly. Buy. 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 Okay. So I'm in on ES. Alert. Create. Where's my account up to now? 62. So if I get this alert triggered at, hold on, this needs to be up at 52. If that alert gets triggered at 52, that will be it. I'll cancel this order. You know what? Goodness me, I'm not going to get it. Huh. Almost up there. Oh, that was at 97.25. Got to 97.25. Order not triggered. That's 3. Come on. We're not going to do that. Come on, fill this. Fill us. There we go. Order filled. So let's cancel these off. Clearly should have just waited for that to get up to that rather than take it. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see. 2360 is the next level that we're looking at. 2360. This one's 99. So where are we? We're up at 70, around 78. I'm gonna be aggressive and keep buying. Gonna be aggressive and keep buying. Looking for a continued breakout to the upside. So this isn't quite keeping with the strategy. This is just me chasing the market a bit here. Just me being aggressive. Looking for the market to head towards the higher day. Oh, wow. Up to that. Come on, get to 99. Come on. Come on. How high do we go there? 98.75. One tick away. Come on. 99.25. 99.50. Come on. Let's go. 98.75 again. Come on. There we go. Got to target over on ES. Want to see this move up to that 60.25. Let's see. Let's look to our left. Seems the window's pretty clean. Seems a clean window. Just depends what we have on. Oh my word, went up to 300 there on ES. Hopefully we don't see a pullback that drags NQ with it. Hoping that we can pick up this 60.25 here on this push. Just want to see this push here. Want to make new highs. Want to see a push. Want to make new highs here. Want to see that 59. Probably that 59.25 actually. 59.25. I'm going to trail aggressively. Come on. Come on. Where are we? We're up to 491. And if we can pick up this 25, should take us above. Come on. How close we get? 58.75. There we go. Where's the stop? I'm going to put the stop at into profit. Oh, come on. Don't do this. 3 ticks from target. Fuck. Come on. Oh, my word. Oh, I've been filled anyway. Ugh. Ah, the irony. Golly. 3 ticks from target. Thought for sure it would have got to target. Felt for sure it would get to target. But that wasn't to be the case. So I'm going to call it. I am going to call it. Hold on. Hold on. How much did we pick up? We picked up 5. Oh my word. We're targeting 25. That's terrible. That is terribly. Um. Hmm. Hmm. I can't do that. Come on, let's not do that. It's gonna go and do it, isn't it? It's gonna go and do it. It's gonna go and do it. Oh my word. It's gonna go and do it. It's gonna show that I shouldn't have gotten out. Huh. Hmm. Yeah, it's gonna go do it. There it goes. A bit more patience, my friend. A bit more patience. A bit more patience. Bit more patience. A bit more patience, my friend. So it broke those highs. Come on, you've already traded for too long. You know what? I'm going to call it a day. I've already broke the rule of trading over 2.5 hours. It's almost up to 3 now. Didn't hold that trade to its target. Of course, I like to be above that 500, but if I'm not going to be disciplined enough, then so be it. Seeing he has pulled back a bit here. So this may want to get to 66, but let's see. No. You know what? Let's not do that. Let's call it a day. So I'm going to call it a day here. And we had a profitable day. We started at 49, I believe. Not the best of days, of course. Not the best of days. Started at 49. We'll be ending up at 96. Not the story of the day. Pretty early on, I was up 559. So came back quite a bit from the equity highs. But I'm going to call it there. I think I'm going to be tempted into taking more trades. Probably going to be ill-advised trades. But so with that, it's interesting. I should make note the fact that came down to that low volume, faked out the range, and then drove higher. So we had the range, faked out, and drove higher on right into that low volume node on ES, heading towards making new higher day. Over there, seem to want to head up to that 302. Over here, I seem to want to head to that 66. Seems to want to be the case. 66, so we're at 56. No, not going to do that. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.